Hello everyone. I am here with a new topic of class 11th Business Studies Chapter 1 Business Nature and Purpose. Our today's topic is types of business risk. In previous video we already understood the meaning of risk. What is the business risk? I repeat, business risk which may arise due to certain unpredictable and unfavorable event in future, means unwanted burden is called a business risk. Now I am going to explain the types of business risk. First is pure risk. Pure risk means that type of risk where is no possibility of recovering the loss. For example, means loss due to fire, theft, accident, strike, lockout, damage in transit are the examples of pure risk. But such loss cannot be recovered without insurance, means this type of risk can be insurable risk. Pure risk which may be in the form of personal risk, property risk and liability risk, and it is also inherent risk and which may or may not result in losses, but it can never feature gain. So that is the meaning of pure risk. Second is speculative risk. Just opposite, that type of risk in the situation where there is a chances of loss as well as gain. There is no chances of gain, there is chances of loss as well as gain. A businessman takes this risk for profit. For example, when a businessman wants the diversification of product, means development of a new product may result in large amount of profit or a big loss, and change in demand, price fluctuation, change in fashion and taste are the examples of speculative risk. And this risk cannot be always be insurable. So this risk can be reduced, avoided and shifted to others. So that is the meaning of speculative risk. Next one is insurable risk. Insurable risk means in this risk which can be this risk can be shifted through various types of insurance policies. Such risk can be forecasted and the probability of its occurrence can be uncertain. So the essential element is it arises in the ordinary course of business, it must be accidental, and it is a common to a large number of homogeneous units, so that is likely to be spread at a nominal cost. And this risk can be we shift our risk into the insurance policy, so we can say that it is a insurable risk. Next is non-insurable risk. Non-insurable risk means such risk cannot be insured because the probability of its occurrence cannot be uncertain, means we cannot guess that what type of risk which maybe happens in the future, like change in demand and supply, we don't know, price fluctuation, change in fashion, taste of consumer, which are the examples of non-insurable risk, and this risk cannot be transferred or shifted into insurance policies because which we don't know about the future. Next one is general risk. General risk or a fundamental risk are group risk which affected the whole population, and for example, flood, earthquake, cyclone, storm, war, fluctuation are the examples of general risk. It is also called is natural risk, means it is the beyond of our control, and such risk do not occur because of the fault of any particular individual, because it is a natural risk which cannot be controlled by the human beings, so it is called a general risk. Next one is particular risk. Just opposite, particular risk arises due to the fault of particular individuals. Such risk affect only a few person, but that risk affect the whole population. And particular risk affect only few person. For like example of burning of a factory, murder of a manager, bank robbery are the example of a particular risk. So that is the types of business risk. Thank you.